everybody. I hope everyone had a wonderful, wonderful weekend and are happy that it's Monday. So good morning, everybody. Let's get into class. We have a lot to do today. We are going to be sharing our terrariums today. So who remembers what is a terrarium? Who remembers? Thomas?
A model of a habitat.
A model of a habitat or an environment. Very good job, Thomas. All right, so you guys made terrariums or models of habitats. Let's read the official definition. Let's see, Potato, could you read this for me?
What is a terrarium? Terrarium, a model of an environment with plants, animals, and non-living things that help living things survive.
Very good. Make sure we put the S on things. So Potato, can you say living things?
Living things.
Good, much better. Thank you, Potato. All right, so a model of an environment with plants, animals, non-living things. Let's take a look. All right, these are some questions that we're going to be answering today and tomorrow about our terrariums. So can someone read question number 1 for me and maybe give me an example? Nick, can you read question 1 and give me an example?
What living things did you use?
So what's an example of a living thing, Nick? Can you tell me a living thing?
A tree.
A tree, very good. All right, number 2. Robert, can you read number 2 for me and give me an example?
What non-living thing did you use?
Good. What's an example of a non-living thing, Robert?
A wagon.
A wagon. Okay, I'll take that. Does someone have an example of a non-living thing in nature? Not man-made, in nature that's not alive? Robert, do you know one?
A rock.
A rock, very good. Okay, number 3. Someone just read number 3 for me. Pirates?
Describe your environment. Weather.
That word is temperature.
Temperature.
Very good. And can you say the word describe?
Describe.
Good. So describe means tell about, talk about it. What does it look like? What does it smell like? So describe your environment like weather, temperature. Very nice, Pirates. Temperature is hot or cold. Okay, number 4. Someone read number 4. How about Susie?
What do plants need to grow?
Very good. Can you give me an example of one thing?
Water.
Very good, Susie. All right, next question. Ben?
What do animals need to survive?
Can you give me one example of what animals need to survive?
Food.
Very good, they need food. All right, number 6. Leo, can you read number 6?
How do the plants help the animals?
Good, can you give me an example, Leo? How can plants help animals?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Plants help animals. Plants help animals by making food.
Excellent answer, by making food. Okay, Rio, can you read number 8?
Why does your animal live in this environment?
Very good, okay. And let's see then, we have one more. Jack, can you read number 9?
What living and not living thing does your animals use in environment? Meet how?
All right, good. So, what living and non-living things do your animals use in this environment? Jack, could you tell me a living thing that a tiger uses?
Food.
Food, yeah, their food's all alive. Rio, can you tell me a non-living thing that a tiger uses? What's something not alive? Rocks. Yeah, maybe it uses rock for shade or for shelter. Nice work. All right, everyone will answer at least 5 of these questions, okay? And after each student, 2 people will say what they think. It could be something nice like, wow, I really like your drawing, or I like the plant you included, or I thought that using rocks was a good idea. So 2 people will say something they think, and then 2 people will ask a question. So everyone make sure you're paying attention, all right, so that you can ask a question, all right? All right, any ideas? What is a good presentation? Presentation is something that you share, or show people in person. So presentation would be sharing in front of people, like sharing in front of your class. So what makes it good? What's a good presentation? How can you do a good job of sharing? Here, I can start us off. How about speak clearly? Speak clearly, that's important. Who has another one? Riku?
I'm not sure.
That's okay. How about Lion?
What?
Lion, what is a good presentation? What's something you can do to make the sharing of your terrarium better?
I think your colors is beautiful.
Very good. So you can give compliments / be nice. Excellent. What else can we do to make the presentations better? Good job, Lion. How about Perry? Perry, do you have an idea?
Be good to everyone.
Be nice to everyone? We kind of have that one. Can you think of a different one?
Listen to teacher.
Listen to teacher, yes, and to the teacher and to each other, right? When someone's presenting, make sure we listen to them. What else can we do? Alex?
Look at the camera.
Excellent job, Alex. That's a great one. Look at the camera. All right, maybe we can get one more. Let's see, who haven't we heard from yet today? Lily, do you have any ideas?
Yeah. Sit nicely.
Very good. Did you say speak or sit nicely? They're both good. Can you say it again, Lily, nice and loud?
Speak nicely.
Speak nicely. Very good. That could be loudly, clearly, with kind words. Excellent job, Lily. Okay. Anyone else have one that they want to add before we move on? Leo?
Good information of test.
So, use information from class. Does that work? Thomas?
Say hello at the first and goodbye at last.
Very good. All right. Leo and Thomas, nice job. Say hello and goodbye. You need an introduction, right? Okay, excellent job, guys. So, these are some that I came up with. All right, so who can read number 1? Jeffrey, can you please read number 1?
Speak loudly and clearly.
Say a little slower and really clearly, okay? Speak loudly and clearly. Go ahead.
Speak loudly and clearly.
Much better. Excellent job. Thank you, Jeffrey. Number 2 is look at the camera. Look at the camera. Riku, can you read number 3?
Show your terrarium.
Show your terrarium. Very good, Riku. All right, and let's see. How about John? Can you read number 4?
Answer all the questions.
Excellent. Answer all the questions. And Pui An, can you read number 5?
Yes. Have fun.
That says sharing.
Sharing it. Remember.
Do you know the yellow word?
Energy.
Energy. Very good, Pui An. Everyone remember energy? Show me lots of energy. Lots of energy. Nice, Susie. Lots of energy. Nice, Pony. Yeah, good job, Lion. Make sure we have lots of energy when we present. Okay. So, first you'll show us your terrarium and talk about it. Then your classmates will ask questions. And if I think you have more to say, I'll spin this wheel and you can answer one of the questions. These are the questions that we read right here. So if any of these questions are left, I'll spin the wheel and you guys can answer them. All right, who would like to go first? Who wants to share their terrarium? Let's start with Riku. Do you want to show yours right now?
Yes.
All right, Riku, show us your terrarium and tell us about it. Make sure you start by saying hello.
Hello. Yeah, it's my terrarium.
Oh, very cool. What kind of environment is it?
It is rainforest environment.
All right, and what do you have? Tell us about your terrarium.
I have plant leaf is a living thing and a snail is a living thing. I have water is non-living thing and a bed for snail leaf is non-living thing.
Very cool. Anything else you want to tell us about your terrarium?
No, I don't have.
No? Can you show it to us again?
Yeah.
What animals and plants do you have again?
A snail.
Snail. Oh. Can you hold it up for us?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, so cute. All right, everyone, I need questions or something you think. Pony, can you ask a question or say something nice about Riku's terrarium?
So pretty.
So pretty? Can you say in a full sentence? If you want to say it's pretty, you can say, I think your terrarium is. Go ahead.
Why, that's
The terrarium is small. Don't have any trees.
She said, why is your terrarium so small? It doesn't have any trees. What? Go ahead and answer, Riku.
Because I
Terrariums are supposed to be small. They're small models of an environment, right?
I'm very big. I made a very big terrarium.
Yours is really big. All right, good job. Good question, Pony. Lion, can you give a question? Go ahead, Lion.
No, in there have another animal.
No.
You only have a snail?
It's only snail.
Did you draw any other animals?
Only one.
No, I don't draw any.
All right, only one lion. Riku, what other animal lives in the rainforest?
Monkey.
Monkey? Good. All right, let's see. I'll take one more. How about Jack?
Do the snail eat plants?
Excellent question. Riku, does the snail eat plants?
No, don't eat plant, leaf.
Well, is a leaf a plant?
Yes.
Yeah, so it does eat plants, right? Okay.
And this snail like to sleep, don't like to eat. It like to sleep.
Likes to sleep. Okay. All right. Riku, let's spin the wheel one time. Let's see. Riku, tell me when to stop. Oh, let me unmute you. Sorry, Riku.
Oh.
All right. Why does your animal live in this environment? So why does the snail live in the rainforest?
Because it's wet.
Excellent. That's exactly right, because it's wet. Great job. All right. Who would like to share their terrarium next? I think I called on Lily for a second, so let's have Lily go. Where did you go, Lily? There you are. All right, Lily, go ahead and say hello and then tell us about your environment.
Hello. This is my terrarium. It is so big. Here.
Can you hold it up so we can see it a little higher? Wow, that looks so pretty, Lily. Can you tell us what environment is it?
It is rainforest.
Rainforest. And can you tell us about your terrarium?
It has many trees and some rocks.
Very good. What else do you have in your terrarium? Anything else?
It has fur. It has fur in the ground.
Fern in the ground. Very good. Nice naming of your plants. And it's so pretty. What animals might live in there, Lily?
It is not have.
That's okay, but in the real rainforest, what animals would live there?
The snail.
A snail? What else might live in the rainforest?
A tiger.
A tiger. Very cool. All right,
And I have one.
Oh, a shell. Very pretty, Lily. Anything else you want to tell us about your terrarium, Lily?
No.
All right, who has a question that we can ask Lily or a comment? Robert, can you give me a question or a comment for Lily?
What is the white thing at the bottom the soil. It is a rock.
Very good. Great question, Robert. Anyone else have a question for Lily? Something we can ask her? Comments?
Oh, what non-living things is in your terrarium?
Very good. What non-living things are in your terrarium, Lily?
It's a rock.
Rocks? Anything else that's non-living?
The ground.
The ground, the soil. Very good, Lily. All right, let's have you spin the wheel one time, Lily. Tell me when to stop.
Okay. Stop.
Oh, let's pick a different one. Say it again.
Stop.
What non-living things did you use? You just answered that one. How about what living things did you use? What's living?
The rock.
The rock is alive?
I'm not sure.
That's okay. So the non-living things were the rocks and the soil and the air. So what would be the living things? What's alive? Maybe your plants?
Land and the moon.
Yeah, the plants. And if you had any animals, the animals would be alive. All right, good job, Lily. Very nice work. And beautiful, beautiful terrarium. Okay, let's see who's next. Who wants to go next? I see Rio's hand. Go ahead, Rio. Say hello and tell us about your terrarium.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, what is your terrarium?
This is a rainforest terrarium.
Very interesting. And what do you have? What do you have in your rainforest?
I have crocodile.
Ooh. Can you hold it up a little bit so we can see it before you talk about it? Oh, got some help from Mom. Oh, wow. Cool. What else do you have?
Rock.
Make sure you use full sentence.
I have a rock.
Very cool. What else? You have leaves. Very good. Anything else?
I have fish.
You have a fish? Oh,
Yes.
very cool. Anything else in your terrarium that you want to show us or tell us about?
I have water.
Is water living or non-living?
Non-living.
Very good, non-living. Yeah, is that anything else you want to tell us about it before we ask some questions?
No.
All right, let's open the board to questions then. Fire Tiger, can you ask a question to Rio about his terrarium?
His terrarium is little bit beautiful.
It's a little beautiful? I think so too. That's a great comment, Ben. Thank you. Anyone else have a comment or a question? Ryan, can you ask a question or give a comment about Rio's terrarium?
I don't have anything.
It can just be something nice you want to say, like Ben did. It can be something nice about it. It could be about his animals. Remember, he had an alligator, he had a fish, he had plants. It could be about living and non-living things.
The fish is big or small?
Is your fish big or small, Rio?
A little bit.
A little big? What does the fish eat?
No eat gì? No, not eat.
He doesn't eat anything? He has to eat something.
Small fish.
Small fish? Good job. All right, Nick. Nick, can you ask a question or say something about Rio's terrarium?
Yes. Is your terrarium many fish?
Does it have a lot of fish, Rio?
No.
No? Why? Why doesn't it have a lot of fish? Maybe the alligator? What does the alligator eat?
But because it's a small tank.
Because it's a small tank. Very good. Excellent answer, Rio. All right, I'll take one more. Pony, could you give a question to Rio? Pony, can you ask a question to Rio?
Yes. Why does it have alligator?
All right, why does the alligator live in the rainforest? Why doesn't it live in the desert or the ocean? What do you think?
Because it's like to live in the rainforest.
Yeah, because maybe it has the food that it likes, or it's nice and cold and wet, or warm and wet. All right, Rio, I have one more question for you. Rio, tell me when to stop. Ready?
Stop.
What do animals need to survive?
Food.
Food, good. Can you give me one more thing?
Water.
Water, good job. All right, nice work. All right, guys, that's all we have time for today, but don't worry. All right, we'll do more tomorrow, and if we're still not finished, we'll do more on Wednesday, so everyone will get to go, okay? Leo, you'll get to go next class, okay? Lion, Alex, everybody, everyone who's done their homework, okay? So, great job to everyone who presented today. Your homework is easy, so take a break and have fun with some easy homework. You have a cut and paste worksheet. So there'll be 4 pictures. You'll cut out the sentences and put the words below the right picture. All right? So which sentence goes to which picture? If you can't print, that's okay. On a piece of paper, write the numbers 1 through 4. Picture 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, write the numbers 1 through 4 and then write the sentence under the correct picture. Okay, so there's no excuse not to do your homework. It's fun and it's easy. All right, raise your hand if you have any questions about homework.
Miss Miranda.
Yes.
Let's cut paper and stick on the picture. Cut the picture and stick on the words.
Good question. So cut out the words and stick them below the picture.
Below is
Under.
in right.
Right, if this is the picture, put the words right here.
Down.
Yes. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good night. Happy Monday. Bye, everybody.
Bye. Bye.